every time going back and coming up is costing me time. Can you see the screen? Hello? Can you see the screen, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, hydrogen is the only element in which neutrons are absent. It is the lightest known element and it exists as a H2 molecule. Hydrogen is having one electron. To attain stability, hydrogen has to have two electrons, like helium. So it shares its single electron with other hydrogen atom. To achieve stable inert gas configuration at helium, we are clear about it. Again, 4 fellows here. Now I am locking the meeting. I don't exit anymore. Now I am locking the meeting. And I am also muting all of you. I am sorry. Now the time is very important for me, for you also. So I am locking the meeting. Now nobody can enter. Yes. If you don't join within first 5 minutes, I don't take you. Tomorrow onwards, that is the rule. Okay. Sir, hydrogen is having only one electron. Slowly I am showing the slides. Okay. To attain stability, hydrogen has to have two electrons, like helium. So it will share its single electron with other hydrogen atoms, single electron, to have a HH bond. Each hydrogen gets two electrons. Can you see the circle here? Right. Now, hydrogen is resembling alkali metals. Alkali metals are the first group. Alkali metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Now, where to place hydrogen? Should I place it with lithium, sodium, potassium, or with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine? Why should I place in alkali metals? Why there is a doubt? Let us see. Hydrogen configuration is 1s1. If it is gaining one electron, it is becoming a H minus like halogen. It is getting nearest noble gas configuration just by gaining one electron. But it has a tendency to lose one electron like alkali metals. So hydrogen is showing a behavior like halogens, also like alkali metals, either by gaining electron or by losing it. Let us see further. Oh, sorry. Why this is pairing like this? Okay, this slide why it is not getting placed properly. Yeah. What is this nonsense? Sir, the configuration of hydrogen is similar to lithium sodium because they have 2s1, 3s1 in outer level, hydrogen has 1s1. So it is resembling alkali metals with respect to valence electron configuration. Sodium has a tendency to lose one electron, even hydrogen has a tendency to lose one electron. The oxidation state is a number calculated based on some rules. Our Arif sir might have taught you. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1, like sodium +1, like potassium +1. It is different from alkali metals in the way that the alkali metals are highly electropositive. They have a tendency to lose electron, but hydrogen is not so electropositive. The hydrogen oxide is neither acidic nor basic, it is neutral, whereas the oxides of lithium, sodium, potassium, first group metals are basic. Notice the compounds of hydrogen with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, HF, HCl, HBr, HI, they are all covalent and they have very low boiling points and they are gases. Whereas alkali metal halides, LiF, NaCl, KBr, cesium iodide, all these are ionic compounds. They are crystalline solids. They have high melting points. So alkali metal compounds, hydrogen compounds are behaving differently. Please observe this slide. Hello, tell me. Bye-bye. Class on again, tell me. ఖచ్చితంగా కరోనా వచ్చింది. because he has dry cough, he has loss of smell, he has fever, and he is having discomfort. నిన్నే జయత అలా కాదు, నేను జయత మాట్లాడే కదా నిన్న, నా పక్కన నుంచి మాట్లాడాను. దాని భుజం మీద చేయి కూడా వేసా, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అని. దాని పిల్లాన్ని ఎత్తుకోవడానికి ట్రై కూడా చేశా. ఇది నాకేం తెలుసు, అదేంటి అది రోడ్డు మీద కనిపించిందండి. అవును, శిరీష్ అక్కడ శిరీష్ ఐసోలేట్ ఎలా చేసావు? సరే పాపాయ్, I'll get you back. Now I'm in the middle of a class. Okay, I'll get you back. Bye. Hello, are you there? I'm sorry, because my relatives got corona. There is a big problem. Even I moved with them. My God. So anyway, we have to accept it. We have to accept the inevitable. Okay, coming back, what I was telling. Okay, the electropositivity, alkali metals are highly electropositive, hydrogen is not. The alkali metal oxides are basic, hydrogen oxide is not. Hydrogen compounds are low boiling gases like HFHCl, HBr, HI. Alkali metal halides are high melting ionic solids. The nature of compounds we have already said. The size of hydrogen ion. Hello. Good morning. Sir, I have waited for 10-15 minutes. If I keep on admitting, my time will be, okay, I'll go back. Thank you, don't worry. See, some fellow wants to join. What to do? All this become a nuisance, I tell you. See, sir, I am appealing you, I am requesting you to kindly cooperate, join within first 10 minutes. Otherwise, it will be difficult to run the show. We have only 40 minutes. In that, if I spend all the time in admitting and re-admitting, where can I complete the portion? I have a problem, right? Anyway, it's fine. So, hydrogen is not having any neutron in its atom. That's very important to notice. So, it is resembling halogens. Again, 4 people join. Okay. The resemblance of halogens, ionization enthalpy of hydrogen is comparable to the ionization enthalpy of fluorine. The hydrogen is resembling halogens in the sense that when you electrolyze any sodium hydride, the hydrogen gas is liberated at anode. That is the positive terminal. When sodium chloride is subjected to electrolysis, even chlorine is liberated at anode. Notice that both H minus, Cl minus behave alike. Hydrogen exists as H2, chlorine, bromine, iodine existing as Cl2Br2. The halide CCl4, SiCl4, NCl3. See the formula of hydrates, CH4, SiH4, NiH3. It means they are forming compounds of similar formula. Notice alkali metals are combining NaH, NaCl. Okay. Like Cl, hydrogen is able to combine with sodium. Like Cl, hydrogen is able to combine with calcium. There is a great similarity in the way they combine. See, in your class, if I want to remove you, I can remove you and put another boy in your place. A boy can replace another boy. A girl can replace another girl. In your class, can I replace a boy with a girl? Not possible. See, replacement reactions happens between similar atoms. So methane, when reacts with chlorine, you get methyl chloride. Right? Have you noticed? Hydrogen is replaced by Cl means both hydrogen and Cl are similar. So these are the arguments. But there is difference with halogens too. Electronegativity of halogens is high, hydrogen electronegativity is less. Halogen oxides like Cl2O7 are acidic, whereas water is neutral. Whenever a Cl, Br, I are making compounds, the Cl is having lone pairs of electrons, electron pairs which are not involved in bonding. Hydrogen is not having any lone pairs of electrons. So it means that hydrogen has similarity with alkali metals, difference with alkali metals. Hydrogen has similarity with halogens, difference with halogens. So the position of hydrogen is not certain. So it is to be written in the center of the periodic table like this. Next. It is the most abundant element in the universe. Almost 70% of the total weight of the universe is due to hydrogen. But in Earth's atmosphere, that is in gaseous air, it is very less. In Earth crust, in oceans, it is available as water in combined form. It is almost 15.4% by mass. In plants and in animals, it is in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, hydrates, hydrocarbons, so on. There are three types of hydrogens. One is protium, ordinary hydrogen, deuterium, heavy hydrogen, tritium, heaviest hydrogen. The abundance, protium is large, deuterium is less, tritium is least. If you look at the atomic mass, first one is 1, second one is 2, third one is 3. If you look at first one, second one, they don't give radiations, but the third one will give radiation with a half-life of 12.334 years. Protium is like hydrogen, 1 proton, 1 electron, no neutrons. Deuterium is like 1 proton, 1 neutron, 1 electron, and it is like heavy hydrogen, represented by 1 H2 or deuterium. In nature, it exists like HD. Hello? Sir, I can't open, sir. Time is almost up. If I go back and come, it is a problem. I already opened, man. How many times it is costing me time, you know? What can I do? Okay, right. Bye. Somebody wants to join you. See, this is becoming a nuisance to me, I tell you. That fellow I have to unlock. Okay. Okay. It contains 1 proton, 1 neutron in the nucleus. It can be separated by physical methods. Hydrogen and deuterium can be separated by physical methods. And it exists in nature as HD. Now there is a question. How many types of hydrogen molecules I can have? I can have H2, D2, T2. I can also have HD, HT, and DT. So 6 types of hydrogen molecules are possible. It is radioactive isotope, 1 proton, 2 neutrons. It emits beta rays. It is a safe element. It is used in medicinal industry, and it has a half-life of 12.33 years. This is a comparison. Protium, deuterium, tritium. H combines with He to give H2. D combines with D to give D2. T combines with T to give T2. H can combine with D, HD. H can combine with T, HT. D can combine with T, DT. So 6 types of hydrogen molecules. In the laboratory, you can prepare by reaction of metals with acids. Notice you cannot use copper, silver, gold. Copper, silver, gold are noble metals. They don't react with acids. Copper, silver, gold never react with acids. That is important IIT question. Active metals react with water and acids to give hydrogen. In the laboratory, You take zinc pieces, add sulfuric acid, you can get hydrogen gas. The metals like aluminum, zinc can react with even bases. Zinc plus KOH gives hydrogen. Aluminum plus KOH gives hydrogen. Metals which react with acids as well as with bases to give hydrogen are amphoteric. So some metals react with acids as well as with bases to give hydrogen. Aluminum is one such metal. Okay. In industry, sometimes we prepare hydrogen by reacting NaH with water. Commercial preparation. Very pure hydrogen can be prepared by electrolysis of water containing barium hydroxide. It is very important question they asked earlier. How can you prepare very pure hydrogen? You take water containing barium hydroxide and pass current using nickel plates. Hydrogen is evolved at cathode. That is very pure. The diagram I have shown, making water solution electrolyte by adding barium hydroxide. The hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode. Now, sir, if you take carbon, oh, they have not given here, syngas will be kept. Next, what is syngas? A mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas or syngas. It is called syngas because it is used in the synthesis of methanol. It burns with blue flame, so I call it as blue gas. You take coal, this equation they have not given, I have not given here. Take coal, carbon plus H2O on heating gives CO plus H2. Carbon plus H2O gives CO plus H2. Nowadays, we are taking sawdust, scrap wood, waste paper, etc. and making hydrogen from that. The reaction where you are trying to prepare syngas means a mixture of CO and H2, using coal and steam is called coal gasification. Is called coal gasification. Sir, we are going to know our NCERT book. I want to show you what is the syllabus for your exam and what you should see in the book. Sir, like you have learned ABCD alphabets, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. Now, the first page talks about position of hydrogen in the periodic table we discussed. Second page shows a comparison between H2 and deuterium. Sorry, H2 is ordinary hydrogen, deuterium is D2. Notice the available percentage of hydrogen is more, deuterium is less. The relative atomic mass 1, 2, melting point in Kelvin 13, 18, boiling point 20, 23. Density, it is 0.09, it is 0.18, double. Atomic mass double, density double. Tritium density triple. Notice all properties of deuterium are more than the properties of hydrogen. You can see relative atomic mass, melting point, boiling point, density, enthalpy of fusion, enthalpy of vaporization. The energy required to break a HH bond called enthalpy of bond dissociation. It is difficult to break DT bond than HH bond. All properties of deuterium are more, but only one property is same. What is that property, sir? The internuclear distance or bond length. Bond length in H2 is exactly same as bond length in D2. Right? Can you see that really? Yes, sir. This is a standard IIT question. Which property of deuterium is equal to that of H2? First option, relative atomic mass, melting point, boiling point. Fourth option, bond length. Answer is bond length. Okay. What is the half-life period of tritium? Another IIT question. Half-life period means time required for tritium to become half of its mass. Its mass decreases because it gives radiations. The time required for it to become half of its mass is 12.3 years. How many atoms of ordinary protium can have one tritium atom? 10 to the power 18 atoms. You can see it from the book. In what form deuterium mostly exists? It exists like HD. Next. Preparation of hydrogen, you have to practice these equations. Zinc can react with acid to give hydrogen. Zinc can also react with base to give hydrogen. Standard IIT question, previous paper. If 1 gram of zinc reacts with acid, 1 gram of zinc reacts with NaOH, in which case you get more hydrogen. Answer. When 1 gram of zinc or aluminum or anybody reacts either with acid or with base, exactly same amount of hydrogen you get. One equivalent weight always gives one equivalent weight. Next question, what is the way to get high purity hydrogen? High purity hydrogen is obtained by electrolysis of aqueous barium hydroxide solution using nickel electrodes. Next. In what process hydrogen is produced as a byproduct? Byproduct means you want to produce some important chemical. In your try to make that important chemical, you get additionally hydrogen, byproduct. Now there is an important chemical called caustic soda NaOH. NaOH is produced by passing current through salt water, NaCl. When the aqueous solution of NaCl is passed with electric current, current is passed using a negative plate and a positive plate. Negative plate is called as cathode. Positive plate is called anode. Remember, negative plate is always cathode. Positive plate is always anode. When you are passing current through salt water, salt is NaCl. Slowly we understand. NaCl has Na plus ions, Cl minus ions. Na plus aqueous ions, positive ions, Cl minus negative ions. The rule is when you are passing current, negative ion will go to positive electrode. Hero will go to heroine. Heroine will go to hero. Positive ion go to negative electrode, negative ion go to positive electrode. The negative ion at positive electrode will try to lose the negative charge, that is losing electrons. We already said negative electrode is called anode. At anode, the Cl minus ions will go, they lose 2 electrons to give Cl2. Loss of electron is called oxidation. So at anode there is oxidation. Remember, anox means at anode there is oxidation. Anox, you have to remember anox. At electrolysis, anox. Anox means at anode there is oxidation, loss of electrons. Red cat, you have to remember red cat. Red cat means reduction happens at cathode. Red cat, anox. Right? So, the Cl minus anion goes to anode, there it loses electron. Na plus cation comes to cathode. When Na plus wants to take electron, it is a poor fellow, weak fellow. If there is a weak fellow, strong fellows will kick on the buttock of weak fellows, just like that. So poor Na plus, when it wants to take electron at cathode, water will come and kick on its buttock. So water will take electrons. When water takes electrons, you get H2 gas and OH minus. 2H2O gets 2 electrons to give H2 and OH minus. Because Na plus is not able to take electron, at least Na plus will take OH minus to give NaOH. So at the end, when NaCl aqueous solution is subjected to electrolysis, you are getting the chlorine gas at anode, hydrogen gas and NaOH at cathode. So when NaOH is produced, Hydrogen, chlorine is a byproduct. Hydrogen is also a byproduct. This is the way the hydrogen is produced. This side, these reactions are very, very important for competitive exam. You know, CnH2n plus 2 is alkane. When alkane is treated with steam at high temperature in nickel presence, you get a mixture of CO and hydrogen. For example, when methane is treated with steam, you are getting CO and H2. The mixture of CO and H2, I already said, is called as water gas or syngas. When the syngas is not prepared nowadays from methane, it is made from sewage, sawdust, scrap wood, waste paper, etc. If you take coal and treat with steam, again you get syngas. This method of making syngas from coal is called coal gasification. The production of dihydrogen can be increased by treating the syngas with steam in presence of important. This is standard question. The catalyst to convert CO into H2 by treating with steam is iron chromate, FeCrO4. CO plus H2O in presence of iron chromate catalyst gives CO2 and H2. This particular reaction of converting CO into CO2 and H2 is called water gas shift reaction. The CO2 you don't want, you want only H2. So you pass the gas mix over sodium arsenide solution, shake well. Sodium arsenide will absorb CO2. This is called scrubbing. Notice 77% of industrial dihydrogen is produced from petrochemicals, 18% from coal, 4% by electrolysis of aqueous solution, and 1% by other methods. So this is it. For your exam, you have up to 9.4 physical properties, chemical properties, uses of dihydrogen, hydrides, complete. You have for your exam up to 9.5.3 in this book. In this book up to page number 289. The question, can phosphorus with outer electron configuration 3s to 3p3 form pH 5? Up to this question is the syllabus for exam. Have you understood clearly what is syllabus for you? Okay. Now, I am unlocking. My time is almost over. I will unmute you. You can talk. You have any doubts in today's lesson? You can say now.
Okay.
You can unmute and you can tell me.
That you have sent, we should study from them.
Sir,
Chaitanya material we have to study, sir.
Sir, I have sent you the NCERT government textbook right now.
From
First you have to read the textbook and any other material later.
okay, sir. Thank you.
So I have sent you the material. 9.3. I have already said what is the syllabus. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now I am concluding the meeting. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.